Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 17th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the euro yen, I still think there's a pretty good chance on the very high time frames that we are in an uptrend. I still think that eventually it is going to break to the upside, making five waves up for a C of wave B, which is good because that gives us a primary direction on the sort of time frames. I definitely would be recommending long still for sure. And I would only be looking to go long on pullbacks. So if it does make a pullback, that's where I would be looking to go long is on pullbacks. Now I'm kind of wondering if this is actually supposed to be like a trend and this is actually supposed to be like a wave B, and then it drifts down towards these lows to make a wave C and then makes a push to the upside. If it does play out like that, I think that would be even better because that would give us an even clearer, more likely entry to go long for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So I'm still looking at this as likely possibly already being a wave three at the higher time frames. And maybe we're just a little bit slow right now because it is Easter week and the market is a little bit slow this week. And maybe early next week or whatever, or maybe even today or tomorrow, we will get another big push to the upside for the higher time frame wave three trend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.